What's up, guys? I just bought a vehicle from an auction and today we're going to pick it up. This is the start of a full rebuild project and you see every step along the way. So let's go! So here we go, guys. I'm plugged up, door in the fender. Don't want to go in the car. So hopefully, yeah, Tiguan go doors. Yeah, hopefully I have my friend here. They're gonna bring the door in the fender for my address. So see you there, guys. So, after 3 days of hard work replacing suspension, brake pads, brake discs, driver's door, fender, airbag model, polishing the entire car, here's the final result. Let me know what you think in the comment, guys.